Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Mike and I'm back here with a brand new video. And on today's video, I'm going to finally reveal to you guys a video that I've had back in my stock footage for quite some time now. I would say something like about 4 months or so. And it's called the Night Garden Experience. This was held in Miami, Florida at the Fairchild Botanical Gardens. I believe this event was sometime around November 2018. And we went there as a family and we enjoyed it, and I just wanted you guys to check it out. For those who didn't get an opportunity to go see it in person, maybe you guys want to see what it was like. So with that said, I hope you guys like this video, and let me give you the tour. Okay, so here you have the main entrance of the Night Garden Experience. Here's my mother-in-law and my daughter Madison walking hand by hand. It was pretty cool. In the entrance, they had like a little bar station where they had cool exotic drinks. They had this photo op station where people could go up there and take this cool shot. They also had a guy in the background, as you saw earlier, just tossing fire sticks and performing for everyone.
You want cashews? It's nice though, right? Is this the first year they do this?
I don't know if the Fairchild Botanical Gardens ever offered this experience. I believe, that this was year one, and I think it was highly successful. Can't recall what was the cost of entrance. I want to say that it was about $25 per person. Yeah, something like that. Here you had the first exhibit, which was the first ferry. So the Night Garden Experience was offering this whole thing for children to try to spot 6 ferries, and each ferry has like an element attached to it. So that was ferry number 1.
There are 6 fairy helpers located throughout the night garden. Each one will give you a word. Find them all to uncover the fairy's secret message.
Let's follow the trail guide. I thought that was a fairy for a second.
That's not a fairy.
Look at the raccoon. Fancy, look. Raccoon. See it? See a wall. Look.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Look, the
The entrance there's they let you know that there is a talking tree in the middle of the whole event. So we kept walking. That was the second ferry, by the way. I should have had Madison next to me right now trying to tell you guys which ferry in order she ended up finding.
4 fairies left.
Can you start it for me?
Oh yeah, here's the talking tree.
So it goes like this. Peanut butter chocolate, eat my cereal. Peanut butter chocolate, it's for real though. Boom. No, you're wrong. Clearly my version was correct.
No, I thought so too. His version was
Right? Everybody who thinks mine was right, applaud. Thank you. See, clearly your memory is messed up.
What's your name?
My name is Archimedes, but you can call me Archie.
How long have you been here?
Ooh, I've been here since before Fairchild Botanical Gardens was around. This place was an orchard.
How Papa?
Well, he's 113 years old.
30. No.
130, 113.
My second favorite color?
Very
Yes.
Blue. This is like a type of green.
What What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is carbon dioxide and water.
And pie. He likes pie. He likes pie.
He likes pie?
They're showing a video how we're helping
International Space Station, a mission in collaboration with the space program to develop the foods that we will need to continue our way of life, our journey to Mars and to outer space. Like the Pacific Islanders before us, we can take with us only what we need. And just maybe, plants growing in this garden today will one day bloom under distant sun.
That box in the background is where they have some form of vegetation trying to grow on certain type of conditions. So I believe it was heat that they were trying to test out. That was the main courtyard. And I don't remember what this part was. Oh yeah, that was like, they had some projections of butterflies and you would stand in the middle and it would light you up and you were covered in butterflies. This part was pretty cool. I mean, this was like, instead of the green neon lights from the entrance, they used these white with these round LED lights that would shoot up, and you would go under that archway and it would lead you to this main massive area that was like a big field. And towards the end, you're gonna see that they had some food trucks back all the way in part of the park. So yeah, this part was pretty cool. Here, Kenzie, the whole night she was dying to, oh, she poked herself there. The whole night she was just dying to touch all these lights.
Wow, you're
She was
so
fascinated by all of it.
You want to touch it? Do it again. Ooh.
That is actually ferry number 5.
Let's go.
There's the food trucks that I had mentioned earlier. This was almost the last station, the last section of the event. Again, here I deeply apologize for all the shaky footage, but like I said, I had it on a handheld tripod and with it's not a gimbal at all. It was just me holding it like that, and I really didn't notice that much shaking until in post, and I really don't want to put the stabilization feature on it because it'll warp it, so I just ran with it. Yeah, and that's it. That was the end. So I told you guys it was going to be a short little video. I just wanted you guys to see all the cool lights. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video if you get an opportunity to do so. It'll help me out a lot. It'll also help out anyone who probably wanted to go experience this event. Check it out in hand right here. And I'll be back soon. Peace.